Hey everyone, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick how to clean your undercounter ice maker video. There's a link in the description where you can find the cleaners. Now let's get into the video. Let's check it out. This cleaning process is going to be the same for most ice makers. This particular one is a Whirlpool, but like I say, this will work for a lot of the machines out there right now. So when you open the door, our ice machine is telling us that cleaning is needed. So step one is you want to turn your ice machine off. So just hold in the button so it's off. And then we need to leave it off for a good 10 minutes because the cutting tray may have ice up inside of it. And the reason we need to wait 10 minutes is for those ice cubes to drop out of the tray. Okay, now that it's been about 10 minutes, our next step is to empty all the ice out of the ice maker. This produces a lot more ice than it looks like. So bonus tip, don't be afraid to throw some ice cubes into a gallon Ziploc and throw it into your freezer just so that you have some extra ice while this machine's making ice again. Your wife will appreciate it. Okay, ice bin is completely empty. Okay, so next up you're going to want to remove the drain cap, which is in the back of your ice maker, right back in here. Let's go ahead and get that done. Right back here. Just unscrew it. You get a bunch of water coming out. Make sure that all drains out. You hear the pump kick on. The pump's draining that. Okay, once that water's all drained out, you can put your drain cap back on. Just snug it on there. So next up, this is the point where we add the approved ice maker cleaner. So this is what I've been using. Like I say, this is a Whirlpool Ice Maker. And there's a link in the description where you can find this item. This is a 16-ounce bottle. So I've just been using this. Add the full contents of your 16-ounce bottle. Okay, so after you pour the cleaning solution into the water tray, next you want to get the bottle full twice of water and then also pour that into the tray in the back of your ice maker. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're basically filling up the pan here. Now that the water pan is full, we can begin the cleaning process. At the top of the panel, there's a clean button. You want to go ahead and press that. and you'll hear your ice maker kick on. And we just let it go ahead and go through the cycle. So during the cleaning process, the clean light's gonna stay on, and when it's all done, you're gonna get a cleaning complete light that's gonna come on at the top of the panel here. Alright, so once the cleaning is complete, you do get a light illuminating that actually shows you cleaning complete. So our next step is, once again, we want to loosen the cap in the very back of the ice maker, and we want to drain out all the water and the cleaning solution. So let's go ahead and do that. Open your cap all the way up. Let it drain completely. You'll hear the pump kick on. Once all the cleaning solution and everything is drained out, you'll want to put your cap back on. Just put it on snug. Next thing we're going to do is you want to go ahead and turn your ice machine back on. Close your door. And time to enjoy the full use of your ice maker. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up or a like. Also subscribe to the channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.